講係啲乜嘢？富豪嘅玩意，可望而不可及，又或者係一啲舊嘅嘢，唔知道真定係假，同埋好多仿製品。冇錯啦，我以上所講嘅嘢咧，全部都中晒。咁古董的而且確係咁樣。不過另一方面啦，古董亦都佢有個歷史價值、藝術價值同埋佢嘅實用價值。咁就好似古董家私咁啦，咁除咗可以欣賞之外咧，咁仲可以攞嚟坐㗎。香港開咗一間私人嘅博物館啦，收藏咗好多名貴嘅古董啊。咁而最吸引我嘅咧，就係最近展出咗一啲歐洲古董嘅珠寶粉盒啊！我咁貪靚，梗係想知道以前嘅歐洲人用嚟扮靚嘅嘢啦。呢間全港最大型嘅私人博物館3層展廳咧，總共有成24,000平方尺咁大，珍藏咗過1000件嘅珍品，唔少都係世界級珍寶嚟㗎。近期博物館舉辦咗一次大型嘅展覽，將會展出嚟自博物館3個永久藏品系列嘅珍品，咁當中包括中國明清古董家具、18至20世紀嘅銀器，以及18世紀至今嘅歐洲珠寶粉盒，而部分更加係曾經喺北京故宮博物館、台灣國立歷史博物館同埋倫敦嘅 Goldsmith 展覽廳展出過。我想知道咧，點解有呢一間博物館嘅誕生嘅咧
Back in 2014, we decided to open this private museum because we wanted to showcase my family's collection. So when we were lucky enough to secure this, we thought it would be very selfish to not share it with the public, and the private museum was born.
點解有個咁嘅 idea 嘅咧？又
Basically because I grew up with a lot of these pieces of furniture in my home. So I understood that to understand this type of art form, it was best for people to be able to interact with it so that that they can touch it, we can sit down on the bed. I think otherwise in a traditional type of museum, if everything is behind glass or you can't touch it, then it's a very dry and sometimes a bit of a boring experience. So we wanted to be able to do something new.
去廟先學你話齋咧，真係有個玻璃箱鑲住咗啲物品，但係今次我可以坐喺度，我都覺得哇咁名貴嘅嘢，好似好有 feel 好 touch。呢間博物館邊一件係最名貴、最厲害嘅展品喺度咧
？We have a lot of priceless pieces. I think the cabinet that you see behind us is one of the sort of highlight pieces. So this is a Ming Dynasty wooden cabinet. It's made of 4 separate pieces.
好靚啊！
And then what's special about it is that you see the marble panels. Those are adapted later. So those were added on in the Qing Dynasty, rare to find pieces that kind of meld the 2 dynasty styles so effortlessly. Also over there we have an altar shrine. So this is from the Qing Dynasty, made of Jitan. This was commissioned by the Emperor Tianlong in the 34th year of his reign. And the reason why he had this made, etc., etc. So in Chinese furniture, it's exceedingly rare to find a maker's mark or any indication of who it would have belonged to. So that the fact that we have this piece and that it belonged to the Emperor Tianlong, very priceless.
其實收藏唔係一件容易嘅事嚟㗎，咁要了解每件作品嘅背景同埋經歷啦，佢嘅製作過程、珍貴之處同埋點樣保養佢，尤其是每一件古董啦，都有佢自己背後嘅故事㗎嘛。咁如果單純地就咁擺喺度嘅話啦，咁呢一種咧只可以叫做收埋，唔係叫做收藏咯。我知道有個展覽嘅，可唔可以同我哋介紹一下個名
？And basically explores how nature as a motif has featured in designs in furniture, in vanities and silver across different cultures. So everywhere from China to Russia, Japan, Scandinavia, England, France, America, etc., etc.
點解又有中式又有西式嘅咧？又
Well, the idea of the exhibit is to talk about how using nature, using flowers and mythical creatures like dragons is sort of a universal language. So one of the things that I want to show you, for example, is this wooden box from the Qing Dynasty, so Chinese.
就係呢一個啊
It's made of jitan, and so that's the dark wood underneath, and then this is all mother of pearl. The reason that this is such a spectacular piece is because in China you have a lot of dragons, obviously, but there are only certain ones that's reserved for the emperor. So this is one of those pieces because you see a front-facing dragon, as in it's looking at you, and then there are 5 claws. So that's how we know that this was probably for the personal use of the emperor, because otherwise it's more likely to have 4 claws or the dragon faces the side. You asked me before about how the Chinese and the European collections connect. So upstairs, I'm going to show you a silver piece that's made from England, and it's this beautiful moon flask. The moon flask, it also has dragons on the side. So we've been asked, why do you think a piece that was made in England would also have dragons? And the idea is that in China, a dragon is something that's always good because it represents, prosperity or the emperor. But in Europe, a dragon usually has some more sinister meaning. It could be a little bit dangerous, or they don't really know what it is. So there's that element of the unknown. So what we wanted to do with this exhibit is to examine things like a dragon and how different cultures see it. So this is quite a special piece because 你知唔知呢個係咩嚟㗎？
甲蟲喎係嘛？
It's a scarab beetle.
我頭
So
先以為係個粉盒定係個 clutch 咧，因為咁大個，如果粉盒咪會唔會？
no, it's like basically 你呢度就有個 gold chain，and then 裏邊咧就應該係乜都有。So 呢度你可以let's say嚟擺啲錢啦。呢個係一個 ivory 嘅 notepad 咁，即係你可以寫嘢。呢度就有鏡，
仲
呢個可能擺啲 blush 啊或者唇膏啊，跟住呢度就有個鐘仔 ，so， 然後呢度仲有啲 powder 嘅。
佢好似叮當嗰個百寶袋，即係咁細個可以擺咁多嘢入去。
呀，
好靚啊呢個！
就呢個係1910年度咯。
哇！我去旅行嗰陣啦，好中意參觀 museum 㗎。咁印象最深刻嗰次啦，就去咗個微型家具嘅私人博物館啊，都幾得意㗎。咁入咗去好似去咗個小人國咁樣㗎。當時我諗啦，呢啲民間嘅私人珍藏啦，要做到世界級嘅博物館啊，咁喺香港可能會比較困難啲咯。咁但係而家咧，香港竟然有一間咁有規模嘅私人博物館啊，咁我都好戥香港人驕傲啊！